Okay, here's your fan. It's gonna get a little spicy. Are you ready?
No.
Oh man.
I'm nervous.
I don't know. It's gonna be alright. I wouldn't do anything to your skin that you haven't already been through.
You're right.
You have nice glowing skin. It's already nice and smooth. It's perfect. Okay, here we go. You ready? Okay, it's gonna be a little spicy. Okay, just breathe. Here we go. Nice and easy. See? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. I know, it's almost all the way on, almost there.
This shit feel like bleach on my face.
Oh. And that's only because of the chemical peel. I mean, the dermaplane. Dermaplane opened up your skin really, really, really deep. So now the peel can go up in there and really take care of the skin.
Ooh.
It's gonna make it nice and polished and smooth. I'm sorry. Almost done. We got about 30 more seconds.
You're evil.
I'm not evil. 30 more seconds. The lips. Perfect. Perfect. Chin. Perfect. Look, he said he wants pizza.
How the fuck Tyler do this?
Yeah, I know.
All the bumps that get squeezed.
But this is that peel I was talking about.
Torture.
The new one. Remember I was talking about the new peel? So yeah, it's supposed
Still
to do
torture.
I know. All right, 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna add some cold water to the face. Here we go. And see how these sponges glide over the face? You have your new skin. It's just nice and smooth like butter. Right, so it ate that skin, the dead skin, and it's just gliding smoothly over the face. I got you. It's gonna calm down in a minute. And take it off. I know. Hold on. It's gonna be even more spicy because I'm putting water on it, and it's activating it a little bit more. Because it doesn't like water. It's like, oh, wait a minute, you're trying to flush us, so we can cause more pain. And your face is going to be a little bright red, but it will calm down, okay? I know. It will be fine. And remember, you have sensitive skin. Remember, like, we went through this before. With any peel we do, yeah, your skin don't like it. But that's how you're going to stay young. And you already have a young looking face anyway, so you only need one pass. Maybe.
I need this because what my concern is on a real note, like with the facials, right? The fact that I smoke so much marijuana and that constant smoke like in my face.
Right.
My concern is that my skin is gonna start to wrinkle even sooner.
No, but with marijuana, what type of medicinal purposes does marijuana give the skin?
Aha.
It gives it great stuff. Yeah, marijuana ain't nothing but
nutrients.
Shit. Yeah, really great shit. So now, if you're smoking nicotine like a regular cigarette, oh, that's gonna strip anybody's skin because
straight pure ganja.
Right, and I've never heard of anybody that marijuana had made my skin wrinkle. Yeah, right. how is that possible? How did it?
It's right here. Everything's.
Like, how did that work out? Like, what phytonutrients did this marijuana plant make your skin wrinkle up? Like, how does a weed plant survive in the climates that it survives all day in the fucking sun, all day, and still be green, still be leafy, still be, man, please, with just a little bit of water? Come on, that thing it blocks UV rays. It loves the sun, but it filters out those harmful UVA and UVB rays. But it soaks them up. You know what I mean? It's like it gives the plant power. But it doesn't damage it, no. As long as you keep that plant hydrated. If you put weed in the hills of California, and California gets how much rain a year? Barely any. And that plant still be there the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years, then come on, that plant is super, even with the sun shining on it all fucking day. So you can't tell me that it wrinkles up and it makes you, no, it does not.
Got you.
No, not you. I mean, like, when people say, oh, marijuana, yeah, okay.
No, I'm concerned, like, I know the cigarette smokers are for sure.
Oh, yeah, of course.
You know, but I'm just saying, I don't know what attributes just the constant smoke in your face.
Yeah, no.
You know, in that close proximity.
Now, depending on what you wrap it in, okay, yeah, that could be problematic because, yeah, we put it in Philly blunt or
I just use regular,
so
natural papers, natural.
We are good. And why do weed smokers normally live longer than most people? Because, yeah, they're inhaling some stuff that's, well, if you're mixing heavy drugs with marijuana, of course, you're not going to live long. Or if you're mixing alcohol with marijuana, okay, no. That can still tear up your liver. The alcohol is making you die, not the marijuana. I don't think anybody's ever died of a marijuana overdose or because of the plant. Not that I'm aware of.
Not that I'm aware of either.
Right. Maybe there's a special case.
I know people that probably then got off their little they knockers because of it. It was probably too strong for them, or a lot of people end up getting the tea, and it's powerful.
Yeah.
You know, like even edibles, people think it's a joke, and it's not. It's way more potent and way more powerful than the actual smoking it itself.
Right.
At that point, you have control, you know, and it will wear off quicker. With the consumption, oh my lord, you have no clue when it's gonna turn on or turn off.
Right, it's going through the whole body. Like,
yeah.
Really, like for real. Because then your body's processing it slower, so it's gonna be in the system longer or hit faster. So yeah, you're right. How's your skin from a 1 to 10? Is it still like very spicy?
Perfect.
It's going good. Okay. Good. And that's what we want to do. We want to calm the skin down. But I can tell you, your skin is glowing. Because if I wipe down everything, basically I'm just cleansing your face, getting the peel off. But you have a shine to your face. I'm like, that's what a chemical build does, right? It lets those new skin cells come up and finally rise and say, you know what? Where have you been all my life? Why haven't I been looking like this before? It's because dead skin cells make you look older. And so sometimes it's not even smoking or drinking. Sometimes we just don't know how to take care of our skin. And so the skin is actually doing its job. It's just, it gets caked up, built up. We have oil production. So that's why you're never really going to look your age. Most people of color aren't going to look their age at all, especially if you take care of yourself. You eat right, you look good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure when you're 60, 80 years old, yeah, you're probably going to look like you're in your late 30s and 40s. Young niggas are still going to want to talk to you because, yes, you take care of your body, your skin, your spirituality, all that good stuff. And it shows. So why wouldn't people talk to you? I know I would. Shit, I was 19 years old. I'm in your DMs.
I had a 19, 20-year-old in my DM the other day, and I said, boy, you crazy.
Yeah. Don't surprise me. It happens. Because I'm pretty sure he don't know how old you. Looking at your face, yeah, you're probably going to think late teens, if not early 20s. That's just a given. Because especially if you put makeup on, because then that, makeup really makes anybody look years younger. You can be 80 years old, but you can hide them wrinkles with some, concealer or conceal. Why do you think it got his name? Concealer. It conceals. It doesn't hide everything. Right. Shit, if it was called Truth, you wouldn't be putting it on your face. They have to. So it's not like they lied to
nice
you.
Name.
It is. So it's
I'm
not like
name my next child that.
It is a cool name.
Wait a minute. So the people gonna see me rocking my legs, acting crazy because of the chemical peel. They gotta see.
Lord.
They
The
can
skin is
see.
calming down. Everything's doing good. We flushed it out a little bit. You're still gonna get a slight tingle. It's gonna last at least 2 hours, maybe 4 at the most. But you're in an air conditioning area, so it should go down within that 2 hour time frame. But some people go right back to work after the chemical peel, go to the ocean, chlorine-filled pool, and go swimming. I'm like, man, you
What?
are crazy. Yeah.
And your pores are wide open like that?
Yeah. People go on vacations the next day. I'm like, you got a chemical, you need at least 48 hours to heal your face. You can't be going on vacation right now. Oh, come in.
Not you again.